Hey there, have you ever heard of the phrase, too big to fail? Well, it turns out that that phrase isn't entirely true. Banks can and do fail, and most recently, we have had the Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank fail on us. That's right, banking collapses can be a major pain in the neck. But what if I told you that there is a solution to this problem, and it involves everyone's favorite buzzword, blockchain? A quick note here, this is purely my opinion, and kindly join the conversation in the comments section if you have more. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. The fact is, we all know that banks can be shady sometimes, right? From fraudulent activities to plain old incompetence, banks have been responsible for many financial crises throughout history. But don't worry, we've got some juicy examples to prove it. Remember the 2008 financial crisis? Yep, that's one of them. But before we can get into how blockchain can solve banking collapses, let's understand why banks fail. One of the main reasons being is a lack of transparency and accountability. Imagine a bank is like a house of cards. It's built on a fragile foundation of trust and confidence. The bank takes in deposits from customers and uses that money to make loans and investments. The idea is that the bank will earn a profit on those investments and the customers will get a return on their deposits. But what happens when the investments don't pan out? What happens when the loans can't be repaid? The house of cards comes totally crashing down. So, what's the solution? How can we prevent banks from failing? Well, one solution is to increase transparency and accountability in the banking system. And that's where blockchain technology comes in. But before we dive deep into the solution, guys, kindly hit that like button if you have not. This would help us get this video to more people on YouTube, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, and let's build this community together. Not just that, we also have some amazing content here on tech and Web3 that you would love to see. Trust me, you would love it here. Okay, that's enough of the pitching. Let's look into the solution that blockchain can propose to the banking system. First off, blockchain is a decentralized, secure, and transparent way to store and transfer money without the need for intermediaries like banks. Think of it like a giant digital ledger that records every transaction and keeps it safe from prying eyes. But wait, there's more. Blockchain technology can also help to solve the problem of shady business in banking. By using smart contracts, transactions can be executed automatically without the need for human intervention. This means that the risk of fraud and corruption is greatly reduced, and you can trust that your money is in safe hands. Of course, there are potential roadblocks and government policies that could hinder the adoption of blockchain-based banking. Some governments may be resistant to the idea of decentralized banking because it could disrupt their control over the financial system. But don't worry, we've got a solution for that too. Remember the hybrid blockchain model? We've discussed it on this channel some weeks back. Kindly take a moment after this video to go through it again. You would find it right after this video. But for curiosity's sake, I would introduce the hybrid blockchain once again. The hybrid blockchain combines the benefits of both centralized and decentralized systems. In a hybrid model, a blockchain network would be controlled by a consortium of trusted entities such as banks, governments, and other financial institutions. This consortium would act as a central authority, ensuring compliance with the government regulations and maintaining security. At the same time, the network would be decentralized in the sense that transactions would be processed through the blockchain, without the need for intermediaries like banks. This would enable faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions while still providing some level of government oversight. The hybrid model is an attractive option because it allows for the benefits of both centralized and decentralized systems. It provides a level of trust and regulatory compliance that is necessary for government support, while also enabling the benefits of decentralized transactions. So, by creating a network that is both decentralized and centrally controlled, it could satisfy the needs of both sides. Now, if you're still wondering how blockchain technology can solve the banking problem, let's use an analogy to explain it. Imagine you're sending a letter to your friend on the other side of the world. You put the letter in an envelope, address it, and then send it through the postal system. The letter goes through multiple intermediaries before it finally reaches your friend. Each intermediary takes a cut of the cost, and the process can take days or even weeks. Now, imagine you're sending the same letter using email. You simply type your message, Hit send, and the message is delivered instantly to your friend. There, no intermediaries, no extra costs, and the process is quick and easy. That's what blockchain-based banking can offer. It enables fast and secure transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. Plus, it's much cheaper and more accessible to people around the world. One piece of blockchain that could be used to solve the banking issue is Ripple. Ripple is a blockchain-based payment protocol that allows for fast and secure cross-border transactions. You see, we can keep going on this topic, but let's close this for now. The truth is that the recent bank collapses have highlighted the need for a more secure and trustworthy banking system. Decentralized banking, powered by the blockchain technology, offers a promising alternative to traditional banking. While there are potential roadblocks and government policies that could hinder the adoption of blockchain-based banking, many countries are starting to recognize it. So, what do you think? Are you ready to build a better banking system with blockchain technology? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting blockchain content. Thank you for watching. I will be seeing you in the next episode.